This is more on the ultralight right here, boys. Look at this. Nice freaking pole. Hey everybody, we're out here. Kilo. Nice scenery. We're gonna do an unboxing for you. Kind of opened it already. New poles, always favorite. So this is the new Daiwa ultralight. 7 feet. Brand new. These are for catching hallelujah. I got it for small reel. I'm gonna put on top. Nice, brand new. Still in plastic. Very nice. So yeah, the new Daiwa. Only 4 LB line on here. The new Daiwa. Ultralight. It's a new Daiwa ultralight. Really skinny, super lightweight. I guess that's why I call it the ultralight. But I never tried it yet. I just ordered it. I'll let you know how it works. I might even try it today. I don't have a reel with 4 LV line. That's kind of too small for what I do. But super light pole. Here's the other side. 7 feet. Longer than no pole I'm using right now. I'm using an ugly stick. Yes. Look at that. Ultralight. Killer. Out here doing on the big island. Pick up our rubbish. Trash can right there. But yeah, the new ultralight from Daiwa. I think it cost me like $50 on eBay. You can get it probably cheaper. This is a brand new one though, so like $50–$60 just for the pole. 4 days it comes into Hawaii, so anywhere else out there in the world will probably be faster, except you if you're a foreign country. But yeah, the new ultralight, can't wait to test it out. Hallelujah. Owama, light fish, real small fish, you know, maybe even Manpachis I might try it all on. Maybe 4-pound Manpachis, 5-pound Manpachis, bend this pole, guaranteed. Yeah, I also show you guys too my dunking rig, which is the ugly stick. This is what I dunk with. Action heavy, 12 to 40 LB line on here. Really good pole. Ugly stick, never breaks. Killer. Right on, guys, that's about it for right now on the poles. Afterward, I'll show you guys some papillas I caught the other day. I thank all the subscribers subscribing to my channel, and all the people out there watching, thank you. Hopefully we get our station known. It's a big island, nice view, clear water. Definitely doing some fishing today. Right on, guys. See that, guys? Look at him. Look at the fish. Going the fish, look at him. Schools. Look at him, whoa. Oh, silver, look at all the silver. Oh, we got one. Oh, we had one. Ah, we had one. Oh, we got him. Swamp appeal. Baby pupil, hook up. Baby pupil, hook up.